Good morning. It is November the 12th. I wanted to go ahead and do a video because I think it's kind of funny as I started really linking all this stuff and understanding what God's purpose has been for me this whole time. I'm very excited to see how some of this stuff has played out and truly the genius that God is. And one of the main things when I kept saying Titans clash, and I already knew. He basically said, bring peace or try to deliver some messages here to these different religions. Why are you fighting about religion? There's one God, different messengers. It really is just that simple. If you're arrogant enough to feel like your religion is the end all be all, then you really have a problem. And that's why I kept saying, even on the Christian level, when Jesus was like, I'm not here to destroy anybody. I'm here to die for your sins. He basically is looking at him like, you idiots have been fighting all this time. And you think I'm here to bring this great destruction. And what I'm here is to bring, guess what? Peace. That's what all this is supposed to be about. Same with Muhammad. He was a messenger. Buddha was a messenger. That's why the Baha'i faith resonated with me as much as it did. I got it. So all these psychiatrists, Miss Know-it-alls, Mr. Know-it-alls that thought you knew everything, you have been actually tampering with God's genius. And some people, now, some people literally do fall into that black side, and that schizophrenia and all that stuff does indeed run rampant. And those are the people, when I talk about why I don't mentor certain people, if I feel like somebody's very power hungry, it's too easy for demons or that dark side to kind of attach to somebody. They start misinterpreting dreams and think, oh, that dream I had about blowing that building up, God said blow the building up. No, he just meant expose something. Or, the sword is discernment. That's bringing truth, okay? And so when God, that dream I had with the sword coming down, me cutting through that dark angel is like revealing the truth. No, we're going to move all these demons, hate, envy, out of the way. I'm going to kill that dark angel so people can get a clear insight to what's really going on, because you cannot see beyond the dark smoke and the mirrors when there's so much hate and all those demons floating around between the countries. So I understood the symbolism of that dream was like cut through bullshit. At the end of the day, why do you hate the U.S. so much? 1930, 1969, 79 happened way back then. Same, on the other side there. So at the end of the day, when you stop and look and go, yeah, why do we hate the U.S. so much, or why do we hate them so much? And you start looking at your own leaders. We have a lot of corrupt leaders that have been floating around. And at the end of the day, all this is now getting exposed through quote unquote Decepticons, i.e. technology. When you stop and step back and you look, you go, every country has some jacked up crap going on right now. That was the dark angel that I was seeing in the dream. Like all these countries right now in this chaos with Syria and everything, that's nobody but Lucifer being like, I'm going to blind all these people to the reality. They don't even know what they're fighting about. So thank you very much. You have a good one.